I am Mahaboob Basha from Andhra Pradesh, graduated in Bachelor's of Technology in the stream of Computer Science Engineering from Arke College of Engineering in Vijayawada in 2022. I got placed in TCS but did not get any joining. Then I started applying companies in job portals, but I did not crack the interviews due to lack of relevant skills. Then my friend referred me IIES, as he was alumni of IIES. He got placed in Mahaboob company, and then I joined immediately in IIES, and I took the postgraduate diploma in embedded systems and designs development course. The faculties are very supportive and helped me to learn courses clearly, and I got very good assistance from placement department, and also got multiple opportunities in IIES, and finally I got placed in LG Software India Private Limited for 7.5 LPA. I thank IIES whole team for being supportive and helps me to get my dream job in core company. Thank you, and I recommend IIES to all students.